Algo AMM is an automated prediction market maker on Algorand. The application allows you to trade on the outcome of events and follow the odds to garner accurate insights about the future. Users buy or sell voting shares, which can be redeemed for 1 unit of the stable asset, if the outcome is resolved as correct. Otherwise, it becomes worthless. Here is a quick demo of the application. So first we connect to the wallet. Once you've connected to the application with your wallet, you can swap stable coins for a voting share. So for example, you can swap 0.02 stable coins for 0.019 units of a yes voting share, which you could redeem for double the amount, or approximately 04 stable coins. So here you can actually see that we are transferring 0.2 USDC on testnet, and we call the application. As you can see, the odds have changed and the reserve changed as well. Console, we've also displayed the transaction, which you can actually follow and just observe what happens with the transaction with Block Explorer. So here is the transaction group ID. You can actually see that we've called this application. And that the amounts are exactly as were displayed. As a liquidity provider, it's a difficult choice to find a balance in a pool and make a decision whether to provide liquidity. For this type of pools, it's a good strategy to aim at to look at the odds and see if the odds are balanced out. So essentially, if there is a balance, you will make a fee, and you would be able to accrue some interest. Here is an example of how you would provide, for example, 10 USDC to the pool. The transaction has occurred, and you can also see the console and check the transaction. So here is the group ID, and we've supplied 10 USDC for this amount of liquidity tokens.